Let us understand something about data networks, IP addresses and APIs more. We have understood, we have seen something related to such terms, but let's understand more. This is related to high demand of high capacity networks. What kind of usage we are experiencing nowadays is voice over IP. This is also known as VoIP, voice calls analog converted to digital signals. You are saying something, it's a voice. Normally, with the traditional telephones, which were based on the wires, analog signals were being transmitted. But now, it's not analog, but it's digital. So, your voice is getting converted into digits and then digits are being transmitted. At the end, where the signals are being received, digits are being converted into voice again. So, this is voice over internet protocol. VoIP, voice and data transmission, travels in a packets over telephone wires. It relies on 5 basic functions through switches and routers. So, now we have 2 more terms with us, switches and routers. Okay. So, switches and routers are in a position to help us in 5 basic functions. 1 is communication, 2 is mobility, 3 is collaboration, 4 is relationship and 5 is search. What are the switches and routers? Switches are like gates, like barriers, like traffic light. When you are going from a particular point to another point, say you are going from university to civil lines, you will find few crossings, huge crossings having red light. If it is red light, then you are supposed to stop. If it is green, meaning thereby that you are allowed to move. So, switches are the gates. What are they doing? They are allowing movement of traffic in one direction, like traffic signals. And then, what are the routers? Routers are diverting traffic from a congested path to a less congested path. The computer or the network is in a position to understand that huge traffic is moving from, say, university to civil lines, and the major road, which is Thornhill Road, is overburdened. So, what this router will do? This router will divert traffic from Thornhill Road to Mahatma Gandhi Marg or to some other pathway. This is the role of router. So, friends, this combination of switches and routers is in a position to help us to communicate, to remain mobile, to collaborate, to establish relationships and to do something known as search. What are the functions of business networks? 5 functions are there: communication, search, mobility, relationship and collaboration. This is what we have seen here. Let's know more about it, each one of the function. So, one is communication. It provides sufficient capacity for human and machine generated transmissions. Delays are frustrating, such as when large video files pauses during the download, waiting for the packets to arrive. Buffering means the network cannot handle the speed at which the video is being delivered and therefore it stops to collect packets. So, 2 things we have understood. The communication may be human generated or machine generated. If the communication is slow, then the machine will start buffering and the packets will keep on arriving one by one. When we will be having all the packets received related to a particular communication, only then the machine will be able to assemble them and show the results to us. This is one known as communication. The second one is, friends, search. This enables to locate data, contracts, documents, spreadsheets, and other knowledge within an organization easily and efficiently. So we can search where a particular file is, where a particular information is, and what is the source of that information. Then the next one is mobility. It provides secure, trusted, and reliable access from any mobile devices anywhere, satisfactory download and upload speeds. This is something like mobility. With mobile devices, handheld devices like mobile phone or tab, you can communicate. Then friends, the fourth one is relationships. Manages interactions with the customers, supply chain, partners, shareholders, employees, regulatory agencies, and other such agencies, partners. So this is something like relationships. And finally, the fifth one is collaboration. In this collaboration, it supports teamwork that may be synchronous or asynchronous, brainstorming and knowledge and document sharing. So this is something related to collaboration. Friends, in this manner, business networks are in a position to provide 5 things to us: communication, search, mobility, relationships, and collaboration.